My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 BMW 1 Series M Sport Edition. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons below, we can get quick access to media, radio, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The 1 Series also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather red interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.